and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome and thank you so much for being here. You guys, today I'm having a Goodwill haul. Before I get into this haul, you guys, today I'm a mess. I just got out of the shower. I didn't even get a chance to dry my hair. I literally have 10-15 minutes before little Matthew wakes up, so I just really want to get this haul out of the way. I did not have time, like I said, to even dry my hair, put makeup on, or anything like that. Like I said, I have only a few minutes before Matthew wakes up, and then after I'm done with this haul, I have some chicken legs that are de-thawing, almost de-thawed actually. So I'm doing today a borscht. It's a European really good soup, and then I'm doing this double shake and bake chicken legs in the oven. My boys love it. Okay, guys, let's get into this haul. So today I have a Goodwill haul. I can't remember. I think it was roughly about $170 or something like that for everything. No more than 200. I can't remember for sure. I'll be very honest because I went to 2 of them, so I don't have the receipts. But let's get into them before little Matthew wakes up and goes crazy on us. So guys, look at this. Look at all this box. Can you see? I have this gimbal following me around. Hello. Okay, so anyways, I have this box full and I have some amazing signs. You guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a sign. I'm going to show you in a little bit though, because I want to do all the signs all together. I've got this amazing sign that apparently, like, I'm looking on sites and they're like $300, $400, $500. They say that it's worth thousands if you take it to the right place to appraise it or whatever you call it. I got it for like $12.99. I think I'll show you in a minute. But you guys, let's quickly go through this box. Let's quickly go through this box. So, for those of you that don't know me, my favorite months of the year are September, October, November, December. I'm in love with Christmas. This 4 months, I am the happiest person alive. I love decorating. My house smells like fall and then gradually smells like Christmas. I had 13 Christmas trees last year in my house. I'm not sure how many I'll have this year, but no less than that. So I'm already buying for Christmas, you guys. I found, but stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I'll have a house tour for Christmas if you're interested in that. You guys, I bought this salt and pepper shaker set and I thought it's so cute. Isn't this extremely adorable? These are so cute. The original price, I don't see it, but I do see that I paid for it $2.99, and I think they're just absolutely adorable. I have another Christmas item here, but you know what? I can't take it out right now, so I'll show it to you. But you know, I am very much into florals. I love florals, and I saw this. I found something last time similar where it's like, it seems like they're in the water, but they're not. But that one is different. This one here, so if you haven't watched that Goodwill haul, I'll link that in the description down below. Anyways, this is only $2.99, you guys. Look at these roses. They do need a little bit of TLC. I don't know if they stayed outside or what, but I am planning to put some like maybe pink or white glitter on them, so to hide some imperfections. You can't really see them anyways, but I can make it like look so great. You guys, are only $2.99. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is on the table, you guys. Oh, you can't see it on the table. Okay guys, the next item, let's go ahead with this right here. Look at this vase and look how big it is. You guys, look at me and look at this vase. I thought it's so cute. I paid for it $7.99, guys. I don't know the original price, but it can be $7.99, the original price, and I think it's really cute. So with that over here, the next item I found is for my husband's office are this bookends or whatever you call them, because actually Justin has all these amazing books. He is obsessed with books. He listens to books every second he gets a chance and reads and things like that. So he got his Harry Potter books, and now he actually, I just saw 2 days ago, he got from Amazon the Sherlock Holmes books. So I know that he's gonna love these 2 pieces here. Look how cute these are. For this I paid $2.99 only for 2 pieces, so $1.50 each. The original price, it looks like they're $8 each. My hair bothers me so much. All right, the next 2 items I found this tissue holder, right? Is that how you call them, tissue holders? Yep, tissue cover. This one original price was $29.99, and I paid for this only $2.99, and it looks like this, and it's really, really cute. There's a piece of sticker here we need to take, but look how gorgeous this is, you guys. Look how gorgeous this is. And this is gonna go in one of the guest rooms upstairs where everything is grayish, like gray, pinks, and things like that. So this is gonna go perfect in their bathroom, in one of the guests' bathroom. And then this one in another guest's bathroom that everything is brown and like dark wood. So look at this one here, you guys. I don't know the original price. India ink, handcrafted. Prescott tissue cover, I don't know, but I paid for this $3.99. And again, look how gorgeous this is. Both of them has this crackled glass, if you see. Look at here, this one. And then look at this one here. Perfect. Hallelujah. Everything that I see fall or Christmas, I'm buying. You know, unfortunately, there's not much out. I can't find too much fall, and not even like in the stores. I don't see much, and if there are some, like they fly off the shelf so quickly. But anyways, this I paid for it $1.99. This is a fall, you know, like a little, I don't know, I'm gonna put here 3 sorts of nuts and all that because nuts. Because you know my boys love it, and I think it's really, really cute for $1.99. Oh my god. Okay guys, I had to put my hair up because it was driving me nuts. Okay, the next thing I found is this, and also so cute, you guys. Do you see this? Look at the colors. These colors actually blend so well with everything I have in my home. This is bigger, but I like this one a little more. I don't know why. Actually, I like them both, but I feel like this one, the colors and the red and, you know, things like that. I don't know the original price. I paid for it $6.99. It's really cute. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. Ooh, frames. Some more frames. For those of you that don't know me, I love frames, and I love frames like this, like expensive looking, bulky, really rich looking frames. So every time I go there, I think the first thing I do is go to frames. So I found this beautiful frame. Looks like it's a 4x6. Yep. So I'm gonna have my kids in there. My kids' picture. This is really cute, you guys. Do you see how the details is just so pretty? And I paid for this $5.99. I thought this is so cute. This is like a teapot situation happening here. There's the little teapot, and then there's the little cup. Maybe if we can, you know what? I have a knife somewhere over here. There you go. Ooh. Oh, it's really cute. So there's the teapot, you guys. Oh God, I hope it doesn't wake up the boy. Okay, so there's the teapot. It's so cute. I do love the color and the polka dots very much. And then there's the cup. So bougie. I like it. Okay, and then what else did I find here? Oh, I found this two little, when I make salads, like for holidays, for Thanksgiving, or for Christmas, we cook like table full of stuff, and like these are so perfect for like little, I don't know, like salads that we make, potato salads or whatever we make. And look how cute these are. These are adorable, and I bought them for $2.99 each. I bought 2. Maybe not. I don't know if they have any crystal in them at all. I'm not sure. No, I don't think so. Okay, so these are cute. I'm in love with this too here. You guys, this here. First, I want to show you. Look how adorable and how just this is. It's like a coffee cup, right? And it has these 3 trees. It's just so classic looking. Look how beautiful. You guys see that on your end? And it's looked by who? It's by Starbucks. And I only found 2. I was gonna buy them all, whatever they had, in case they break or whatever, because these are, like I said, they're so classy and so cute. And you can see you can make cocoa in them, and they're Christmassy. Oy, mama. And they're Starbucks stamped. I love it. I have a pumpkin here that doesn't belong here, but Matthew probably threw it because I'm having already things here decorated, and these little pumpkins fly all over the house. Matthew just will not let them be where they're meant to be. I start putting them on the table. Okay, you guys, look at this, what I found. This was, I don't know the original price. I paid for it, if I'm not mistaken, $6.99. I can't remember. It was $6.99. Yeah, it's right here, $6.99. Because I actually, this is this one I got before, but I wanted to share with you. And I remember Mom was like, why do you need to have like a garage full of Christmas? I'm like, there's never too much Christmas. Oh, he's so cute. And the details, do you guys see all this? He's so adorable. He's pretty big. He is gorgeous. I mean, I couldn't leave him behind. No, sir, not you. And in this box, the last thing I have this decor. My husband didn't like it. I said, Justin, look, I got it for your office. Do you like it? And he said, not even a little bit. But for some reason, I thought he's gonna like it. He does have similar things like this, but I guess they're not glass. Or I don't know. I don't know why he did not like this one. This was $4.99. I love it, and I'll find a place for it because I think it's a lovely piece of decor. I think it's cute. Okay, so we're done with this box, you guys. Oh, yeah, no, hold on. So I also found this jar. I only paid for it 99 cents, and I love it. I have a couple of this, but a different, like, they're kind of like more round and things like that. And I collect all the glass jars. Actually, in my pantry, whenever we do the house tour, God, it should be out next week. You'll see that my pantry has pretty much everything is see-through like this. And I bought this amazing jars from the Dollar Tree, if you remember, the big like plastic, but good plastic ones. And I'm just, I'm in love with them. So because I like to see, what's in. I just really love see-through jars. And I saw this, I'm like, yeah, you're mine and you're coming home with me. And it did. So that's that. And then I also found this little basket, and I found this basket like when we have picnics outside or whatever. Sometimes like you need to get the bread or the cookies or the things or whatever. This basket is just cute, and it goes with my house colors and everything. It looks like this is for bread, and that's fine. How much did I pay for this? I think it was $2.99 or $1.99. I can't even remember, but I thought it was just so cute, so I picked that up as well. Okay, now on to the side. Oh, no, I have one more thing. I picked up this right here, and I paid for this $8.99. And I think it's very gorgeous. It does need, it's like a vase. It does need a good wash. They all do need a good, wash. But look at this, you guys. It's really pretty. And once again, I picked it up because it just goes so well with my house, with my decor. The brown just goes well. And anywhere you put, this will go nice in Justin's office. I hope he likes this one in his office. But his office is full of books and daddy things, like things that my kids give to him for Father's Day, or, us together, for me, from the kids and things like that. So look at this. I think this is so nice. I do like this type of glass, and I like the brown and yeah. Okay, on to the signs. Okay, my husband got home. What time do we pick up James? What time is it now?
25-ish.
Ooh, okay, I'm almost done anyways. You guys, this is a game room sign. Its original price was $49.99. Right there. and I got it for $5.99. And this is my second one, actually. We have one already in our game room upstairs. And this one, Justin said, what are you gonna use this for? You wanted the second one? I told everyone that you did not like this decor over here. I told everyone that you did not like this.
No, I just don't want it for my office. But I love it.
No, you said you don't like it, not one little bit. Oh, you said you don't like it for your office?
For my office, one little bit.
You don't like it? Whatever.
Where did I want to put the second one of those game rooms?
Okay, anyway, so you said that you wanted two of this for what?
Because we have two game rooms. The game room upstairs and then James's game room.
Oh, this one?
That's going to be over here.
Oh, that was going to be my studio, but I never use it. So
Yeah,
I guess they already decided.
We commandeered your studio.
You did?
To be our new Fortnite room.
But this is really cute, isn't it?
It's very cute. You are still rolling.
I'm still rolling. You need to fix this gimbal because it's following me and then it stops. Like it cannot keep up with me.
It's like me, I follow you, but I can't keep up.
Anyways, you guys, I bought this. It was $3.99 for their gaming room upstairs. I'm gonna be quick because the last item I want Justin to show it to you guys.
You better be quick. I gotta go pick up my dude.
I want to go to, and this is for our movie theater room. I saw this and I fell in love with it. It says ice cream, iced tea, soda water, 5 cents, soda fountain, and it's really, really, really cute. Which means that now you're gonna have to buy
an ice cream maker for the theater room.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was
because yeah, we're gonna have to buy that now.
There's no point in having a sign if you don't have the ice cream maker.
Exactly. Justin, talk about this sign here. Tell everyone about this. Tell everyone what you know about this and how I found it and how awesome it is. So this is a mirror, you guys.
So there's no, so you can't get the glare on there.
Yeah, because it's a mirror.
So check this out. Talk about amazing finds at the Goodwill. Okay. So MommyBo, she brings this thing home and she says, "I got this Coca-Cola mirror for the theater room. It's gonna look great." And I look at this thing and I'm like, "That's old. That's gotta be super duper old. There's like a 5 cent for the soda pop thing on here." So I said, you know what? We gotta look this up. We gotta look this up and
because
see.
it looks legit. It's so
totally
nice.
legit, super duper legit. You can see it. So I said, we gotta look this up. So we take a picture of it, searching the internet around, the Internet of Things. And this little guy was going for around $400.
Mm-hmm. And it said that if you take it to the proper, whoever does the, what do you call it, appraisal?
Appraiser, proper appraisal.
It can be worth, it probably is worth thousands. If we got the original one, which it looks like looking by the frame and all this. It doesn't matter because we'll never sell it because we love it so much. So,
that's right.
Yeah. But
what a find, huh? Goodwill.
I know. Goodwill is so amazing. Oh, yeah, you guys, this is, yeah. What do you think?
With you.
Bye. Okay, well, you guys, I gotta go too because I want to go pick up my child with Justin at the bus station because I miss him. So you guys, I hope you like this haul. I myself loved it so much, and y'all know how much I love Goodwill, and I find good things and I take things to Goodwill and then I bring some home. I think it's just, and everything is for an amazing cause. So you guys, I hope you like it. If you did, give me the thumbs up. You guys, share my channel. Just share with your friends. Maybe they will like me, and kind of help me grow a little bit. I would love to have y'all as my family, my YouTube family. So with that said, you guys, we're gone.
She's gone.
She's gone.